So go and get the money when you know that you're prepared to conquer a new market, when you know that you need funding to fuel your growth. And then the timeline in terms of timing is simple. 1 quarter for the materials, 1 to 2 quarters for actually doing the pitches, going around, getting the network, getting the, in front of, and within 6 months you should be able to get a term sheet, and then 3 months to conclude the term sheet and get the money into the company. So it's a 1-year effort. If you're very if you have a lot of luck, it could be less. If you don't have the luck, it could be longer. But I think 2 quarters for getting to a term sheet is basically a good result.